Hello. Sorry, I just unpacked from my big trip down the south. But you are looking at that right. This is Xbox Series X. I got it for like $530, but I already had $110 in cash on me in case if anything big time expensive came up, and it reduced down to $420. Nice. Alright, let's see what we got out of this big machine. Let's unbox this bad boy. Whoa. Voila. Let's see. Assuming this has all the accessories right here, and this is the big console. Looks smaller than I thought, but it is pretty heavy. It's a big ass rectangular cube. Tax refunds came in handy. That means there's also another big thing I gotta unbox to you guys pretty quickly. If I could just get this stuff out of the way. This is the HDMI cable that powers the console on, and this is the power cable for the Xbox Series X. Look, I got lucky there because I didn't need to buy an absurd amount of HDMI cables. This big tax refund purchase is going to leave me in debt for a while. Even though I have like $400 in my checking, but I have to make one more purchase. And that's the drop pedal, and then I have to go for the California trip. And this is exactly what everyone would predict this thing is in this baggy controller. It's pretty slick. I love the feel of the metal. And here's the batteries that go with the controller. It's gonna be quite a mess. Quite a mess. Controller, console, power cable, HDMI cable. Alright, all set with Xbox One. Now let me show you the other big unboxing. Oops. Now here is where I finally get to go pro on my racing games. It was very pricey, but it is worth it. Is the steering wheel. Let's see what there is to unpack. This is the power cable. Right, there it is itself. Its leather smells fresh and beautiful. I think this is the USB that goes to where you're supposed to plug this thing in. And here's the pedal. Boy, is this thing really big. Gas, brake, and clutch. Oops, I accidentally moved the tripod. My bad. Let's see if I can make this thing work. It's gonna be pretty cool playing this thing. Hopefully this is my money's worth. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. And I'll see you whenever I make my new videos, whatever those videos may be. Spacing out.